In order to carry out research at the forefront of medical science, just like with any other kind of science, we are nowadays critically reliant on IT technologies. And this includes a variety of solutions, from high-performance computing to large-scale data management to AI technologies, which are nowadays becoming very popular, to things like wearable devices and embedded systems. As can be perhaps expected, medical researchers and medical practitioners do not necessarily possess in-depth knowledge regarding the ways in which these advanced IT tools can be successfully and efficiently employed in the course of research, which is where the scientific programming team at Sano comes into play. In the framework on our team, we involve IT specialists, graduates of computational science, who assist our individual research teams in developing targeted, specific solutions that are relevant in the scope of the research projects.
As a scientific programmer, I am involved in InSilico project that assumes accelerating the uptake of modeling and simulation technologies in medicine. My work is to adapt and integrate scientific applications to HPC infrastructure. And also I am responsible for scalable and efficient computing and developing the web application for them to access the resources on the infrastructure. Another thing that our project involves is data sharing and monitoring. By connecting those parts, we are able to provide a useful toolkit to accelerate and speed up the research process.
I work on analyzing patient data and algorithms that help to identify unknown or unobvious correlations between data items. The result of this work can help to predict which patients are at risk of developing severe medical conditions.
We mainly focus on deep learning approaches for classifying glioma, and we also do some generative adversarial networks for style transfer between two modalities. The proper stratification of glioma is not a trivial task. We want to do it fast and precise. So when we offer novel and precise approaches for classifying gliomas, then the immunotherapies can be adjusted more properly. So we hope that we can help patients go back to health.
As part of the CAMEL project, we are in the process of developing a mobile application called Avalietas Angio. The goal is to create an application that will gather data from the medical staff to be used in the future data processing. Our software will be installed on the dedicated tablets, and these tablets will serve as a tool for the medical staff for this data gathering.
IT technologies are ubiquitous, and not only in the research context but also in the hospital. We are in the midst of a, shall I say, revolution in terms of managing and accessing medical data, and the outcomes of that are already visible to everybody around. I mean, we have medical information systems with online access, things like online prescription services, access to data. Nowadays you can arrange a consultation with a doctor using online IT tools, and this revolution is actually ongoing and bases to a large extent on the pilot projects and research projects that take place in or at organizations such as Sano.